Welcome back. Now, when you have products within specific funnels and offers, you can reuse those products in other funnels and other offers. Assuming that's the case, we can take one of those products. In this case, we can assume the one that says Warrior Advanced Videos 1. We want to use that in another offer. So if we were to either set up another offer or we were to go to a different offer in order to use that product, we can click on top of that offer and we can then add that product to the offer. What we would do is we would click on New Page. We would then give that page a name. And what we're going to have to do is to create a new sales page for that offer. Otherwise, WarriorPlus will reject the new addition when we attempt to save it. So we're now going to create a new page for the new buy button and offer. Now, assuming we are using our page builder to create a new page, we are creating a new URL to place our new buy button. So we're going to save our changes and we're going to hold this page until we go and get the new buy button code. In the meanwhile, we are going to need that new URL and we're going to use it in order to place it inside of WarriorPlus. So what we're now going to do is we're going to place that new page that we created inside of the sales page URL section. We're then going to save the new page. What we're now going to do is we're going to add the product from the previous offer that we looked at. So we're going to click Add a Product. And we're going to use the drop down in order to add the product from our previous offer or funnel. We're then going to save this product. Now, currently, the way our funnel is structured, this offer is not part of our funnel, and it's optional as to whether or not we're going to add it to the funnel. What we do want to do, though, is we want to get the buy code for this particular product in this particular offer. And we're going to get this code, and we're going to then add it to our page. And our new buy button is now on our page for the product that we are using within another offer and funnel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.